Today we're going to evaluate the fifth and final variation of exhaust for the full-size Bronco 2021 with the 2.3 liter EcoBoost. This particular system is our King of the Hill exhaust system with dual tips. So if you want the most aggressive street performance, sound, and look, this is the exhaust system for you. Features two 3.5 inch stainless steel tips available either in bright polished or of course the Black Ops Cerakote finish. Let's evaluate it. So at startup, definitely have a sporty sound, very deep rumble. It gets your attention. It's not harsh. This particular car has the soft top, so I'm going to evaluate it with the windows up, air conditioning on because it's warm. So our simulated city driving, we definitely have an exhaust presence. It's got a performance growl to it, and it's there. Doesn't howl, not obnoxious. I'm not experiencing any real boom or anything that would be otherwise obnoxious. Kind of cruising at 30. It's there, but it's not taking over the conversation, so to speak. Step on it a bit. And it's got some attitude. It definitely says, I am coming. Alright, now we're going to hop on the highway and see what our cruising sound and dynamics are.